So let's clean this up. First of all, we want to remove this add comment link, which is the original comment link. And also it looks like we added this hidden field, but we didn't actually exclude it from display. So let's fix those two things. First of all, we'll remove the original add comment link. So I'm going to check on that and then click remove. And now for comment count, I'll click that and we'll do exclude from display. And I'll click apply all displays. And if I scroll down, everything looks right. So now that we've finished this layout for our blog homepage, at least the part where we're displaying the blog posts, and before we actually add our CSS to float this image over, this is a good time to save our view and to create a backup. So I'll scroll up to the top and click Save. And then we'll go up to Backup and Migrate by hovering over Configuration, System, Backup and Migrate, and we'll click Backup Now. So we're going to save this as step number 15, which is Gift of Geek after creating blog homepage view. So if you're resuming from this point, this is the one that you want to restore using Backup and Migrate. You'll also want to copy over the modules from the modules folder inside of the resource pack. And you may also, if you find that the images aren't displaying properly, it's probably because the images aren't there. And so you'll need to copy some of the files from the file directory in the resource pack over to your file folder in sites/giftofgeek.local. Okay, I'm going to exit out of the overlay.